am going to make 3-letter words activity. Let's start. Take first tip of paper and apply glue. Stick it around the bottle. Repeat the same for second and third strips. Now stick 2 color papers like this. Now color the bottle as you like.